decided to give Drape Fit another try. So let's find out what they sent on my second Drape Fit. Hi fashion friends, welcome to my channel, Dress Like You Mean It. I'm Andrea. I like subscription clothing boxes and shopping hauls and clothes and purses and shoes and yeah, all that fun stuff. If you do too, then I hope you will hit that subscribe button, the notification bell. If you like this video, give me that like. If you can leave me a comment, that really helps. Helps me with YouTube. So, Drape Fit is an affordable styling service. They charge a $20 styling fee. To my knowledge, that does not get applied to a purchase. And they send you 5 items. I can't remember how many days you get to try it on. I tried them once and I thought I was on like a regular recurring subscription, but then they never sent me a second fit, and it's been months. And I decided to go ahead and give them another try. So they send it in like a little burrito, so you can't tell what's inside until you open it up. And let's see, what did they send me? So they send the envelope to send anything back that you don't want to keep. You guys, I have tried on, this is my 3rd box in 6 days. So I've tried on a lot of clothes. I'm actually almost kind of tired of trying on clothes. Did you ever think I'd say that? If you want to try Drape Fit, I will leave my link below, and that gives you, I am pretty sure it is a $20 discount. Let's see if it says here. This is a note from my stylist. Hi Andrea, I'm Paulette and I am styling your second fit box. And then she talks about what she has, and I haven't looked at it yet, so I don't want to see what she says. If you keep all items, you can save up to 25%. Not sure what that means, up to. Anyway, let's get into it. So, got some color there, some colors I don't wear. On top is something white though, and it actually looks very pretty. There's Lucy. All right, so this is the back. This is by Hayden, and it is the Hayden Smocked texture plunging V-neck. So you can see it's got some smocking. It has a ruffle, kind of a tier at the bottom. Quiet Lucy, crawling in the box. It's got a tie in the back. It does have a V-neck, but it has a modesty snap there. It looks like it might be on the short side. It's very cute. So we'll try that. And then we have something yellow, which is a color I don't wear. This is from Lily Sky, and it's long, it looks like maybe 3/4 length sleeves. There is elastic there, and it's got a tie. I'm not a fan of ties either. It's a really nice feeling material though. I wonder if it's rayon. Let's check. All right, I will leave my link below if you want to try Drape Fit. I think I might have said that already. When you've done so many videos, you forget what you've said and what you still need to say. It's 100% rayon. So that feels really good, but that, I don't wear yellow. It's just not a color I enjoy. This is a very pretty pink. It is by Blue Pepper. It is the Blue Pepper tie neck embroidery top. It feels nice too. It's got this embroidery and a tie, which again, I said I'm not a fan of ties. Looks like it's kind of on the shorter side. It's a kind of a rounder hem. And then we have by The Workshop, This is a white top with a kind of a flouncy sleeve there, and just a split neck, and it's got these, like these round, well, it's a circle, and half is black and half is kind of tan. So these all feel good. And then this is YMI Forever Color. These are jeans in brown, and brown is another color I don't wear. So it's a size small. Okay, I've never gotten jeans in a size small before. Usually they are either like a 2 or a 4, or you know, the waist size. So we will see how that goes. Interesting collection. Let's read that note. I picked out a pair of brown casual jeans that can be paired with your yellow floral printed boho style top, your pink short sleeve top, or your white and black polka dot sleeveless top. I also chose a cute white sleeveless dress. I hope you are delighted, and I can't wait to read your feedback. Please feel free to take a photo if you in your new fits, and either email them to support, or you can share them on our Instagram page at Drape Fit. Stay safe and have a stylish day. Okay, well, I'm gonna say I'm not really excited about anything except for maybe that white dress. But you know, if you can find one item you love in a clothing box, I call that a win. Little disappointed that they're sending things that I don't wear those colors, but hey. All right, let me show you my outfit of the day, and then we will try these on. Y'all, I always forget this. I just want to thank you for watching my video, spending part of your day. I really, really do appreciate it. And yeah, let's get moving. So it's a shorts kind of day here in Colorado, and these shorts are by Market & Spruce from a recent Stitch Fix, and they go really well with this top that I got from White House Black Market in a recent shopping haul. The shoes are by Michael Kors, and I got them from Off-Broadway. Just come up a little closer. It's got, you can see the blue goes really well with these shorts. So that's what I'm wearing today. Let's try on some clothes. This is a really cute dress for someone much younger than me. It was also kind of a frustrating dress to put on. It is very short. It is much shorter than I would be comfortable wearing. It also has a snap not only in the front, but in the back, and the back snap kept popping open, and I can't reach it to get it closed again. I was able to do the tie in the back, but not the snap. This was like, it's a really nice material. It's very soft and flowy. It's kind of an eyelid or embroidered, I'm not sure. I just don't feel like it's made particularly well. So the snap is here, it kind of pulls here, and I don't like this. I feel like it's not laying right. It's got, the ruffles. I mean, there's things about it that are very cute. This length, it makes it a no, but also this stuff with the snaps is frustrating. I also feel like, I guess it's okay. At first I thought it was like a little higher in the back, but I guess that's okay. So this is the item I was most excited about, so I'm kind of disappointed that it's not really appropriate. I'll give you one more look at the back, and yeah, we'll try something else on. Next up, we have the brown jeans and this kind of dotted top, and I paired them with the pink Keds that I got in my Barbie themed Stitch Fix. If you haven't seen that, make sure you check it out because it's super fun. All right, so let's talk first about the top. And it's polyester, but it's, you know, that kind of nice silky polyester. It has this like seam or pleat, I don't know what you would call that, down the front. I like the neckline. Not sure how I feel about these fluttery sleeves. I feel like it's the kind of thing that they have to just lay perfect, like a little wind comes and, you know, flips it up or something like that. So I think the bottom line is it doesn't spark joy in me. You know, it's okay, but my daughter also pointed out that it's see-through. Yeah, it's okay, but it doesn't spark joy in me. Let's talk about these jeans. I was a little worried about whether or not they would fit, but they're very stretchy. They feel, maybe it's just because I haven't worn skinny jeans in a while because it's been so hot, but they feel tight on my legs. They fit okay. They, you know, I just don't wear brown. It's not a color that I want in my wardrobe. So this is how they look from the front, and this is from the back. And yeah, so this is a no and no. All right, we got a couple more tops to try on. Next we have the yellow, I don't know if you call it a blouse, top, whatever. It's a really very nice silky material. Was this the one that was, I can't remember if this was rayon, but it's got the tie, the kind of billowy sleeves with the elastic. It's got that rounded hem that comes up on the sides. That's from the back. Don't like the color, don't like the top, other than the material. When I showed my daughter, she was like, ew. She never says that. So yeah, other than the material, there is not a thing that I like about it. It'd be good for leggings because it does come way past the booty. All right, one more top. Last shirt. Love the color, love this bright pink color. The material feels nice. I like the sleeves. They're a little bit longer than that other one. I'm not a fan of this embroidery or this kind of ruffled neck that way. Not a fan of ties. I had to tie it because it's not made well. So this side just goes straight down and this side goes over like that. You can see my cleavage. I had to tie it because if I didn't tie it, you could see my bra. So like I said, it's just not made well. It's, you know, I believe that you can get inexpensive clothing that is made well. I would rather spend money for well-made clothing than something that is inexpensive and poorly made. But I also believe you can find inexpensive clothing that is made well. You know, like a New Day from Target. I feel like those things are made well. Anyway, let's do prices and a recap. Oh, let me quick show you the back. Now we'll do prices and a recap. Okay, that was a bit of a disappointment. As far as prices go, the Hayden Smocked textured plunging V-neck dress is $29.99. This was nice material, but just too short and not well made. The YMI Hyperstretch jeans, they were very stretchy in size small, and then it has 2 to 4 there. They were $28.50. They're brown. I don't wear brown. And I don't wear, these are almost like a jegging actually. I don't wear cheap jeans. I don't find that that's a good use of my money. So The blue pepper tie neck embroidered top is $26.99. This is pretty pink, nice material, but my daughter said all the tops are so thin, and she's right, they are very thin. It was not well made. I mean, it was, yeah, I don't know what they did to make it do that, but so that's a no. My daughter said I looked like I was going to a Day of the Dead celebration. And then we have the Workshop two-tone polka dot top, and this is $26.99. And this was probably what I liked the best out of the box, but not enough to buy. That would be good, you know, if you worked in an office, like with a skirt or a pair of, you know, kind of semi-dressy pants. I think that would look good with that, but that's not my life. And then last we have the woven floral top, and this is $28.90. The only thing I liked about this was the material. The subtotal is $141.37. If you purchase all, you get a discount of 25%, which would take off $35.34, bringing it down to $106.03. Plus the tax, your order total would be $114.14. So it is very affordable. And I think there might be some people who would, you know, they love yellow and they would, you know, love the way this fit. None of these worked for me though, so it's all gonna go back. Let me know if you've tried Drape Fit. This is my second fit, and I feel like the other YouTubers that I have watched have said you have to get, you know, at least like 3 boxes before you decide that they're not gonna get your style. So I will probably give them another try in, you know, a month or so and check back when I do. All right, if you like this video or you found it helpful, I hope you give me that like, and if you haven't subscribed, please do so. It doesn't cost you anything, sure helps me. And yeah, let me know what you thought. Was there anything that you loved? Until next time, fashion friends, don't forget to dress like you mean it.